Struggling with breakouts? Discover the game-changing *The Ordinary, the Acne Set *, your 3-step solution for clearer, happier skin in 2025. This powerhouse kit starts with a glucoside foaming cleanser, gently washing away impurities without stripping your skin, making it perfect even for sensitive types. Next, dive into the magic of salicylic acid 2% solution, expertly unclogging pores and reducing acne for a visibly smoother complexion. Finally, lock in all-day comfort with natural moisturizing factors, plus beta-glucan, a lightweight moisturizer that strengthens your skin barrier. This isn't just another skincare set, it's a targeted approach for teens and adults alike. Ready to finally say goodbye to stubborn acne and hello to confidence? You can grab *The Ordinary, the Acne Set * right now via the Amazon link in the description below. Don't miss out on achieving your best skin yet. For anyone searching for the best acne treatment set of 2025, this is it. Make the smart choice for your skin and click that link today.